Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In today's video, we are going to explore Scrum, a Bitrix24 project management tool. And by the end, you will have all the insights you need to how to use Scrum, configure the access permission, and all these things. So let's begin. Scrum. Scrum is a flexible way of organizing a workflow with tasks. A large project is divided into small tasks carried out gradually. For creating a Scrum, you need to click on the create button. Here you can add the Scrum team name. You can select the icons for unique identification. Here you have got three different options. One is public, private, and hidden. In public, the Scrum will be available for everyone in your organization. Private, only the selected users will be able to access the Scrum. And hidden, a special invitation need to be sent for enrolling into this Scrum account. Here you have got four different options. One is product owner, Scrum Master. You can assign the Scrum Master who will able to assign the task. Developer team. You can add different team members over here and stakeholders. After the Scrum has been created, on the right hand side you can see the sprint. Talking about sprint, sprints are nothing but the tasks that are set for short period of time, usually 2 weeks for example. These cycles are called sprints. You will get a certain result by the end of the sprint. If a task is not completed during a sprint, it can be divided into smaller subtasks. This format allows you to get a small but predictable result in a certain time period. How to create a sprint? So, whatever task you add over here, it has been added over here. So, you can drag and drop it into the sprint. So, here you can set the deadline and all these things in the Agile. Talking about the backlog, all planned tasks, ideas, feedbacks are gathered in a specific list. It is called a backlog. It helps the team not to miss something important. In the backlog, you can create different set of tasks. You can align them over here, and after that, you can just drag and drop them into the sprint. In this sprint, as you can see, it has bifurcated the data like sprint 1, sprint 2. After clicking on the task, here the generic task page will open, and from here you can be able to view and keep the deadlines of this task. In Scrum, there are different rules, different options, different features present. Chats and meeting. By clicking on this, you can schedule a chat and meeting with the team members. Daily Scrum, plan, sprint review, sprint retrospective are some of the features of chats and meeting. Scrum items, about Scrum. In about Scrum, you can set the roles and permission for the members. You can view all the members of your Scrum from here itself. So this is a quick walk around of what Scrum offers in Bitrix24 project management system. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more content. Drop your thoughts or question in the comments below and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you for attending.